Now I am gonna show you my zine instrument and dumble plate. These are called dumble plate, and this is my instrument for holding a plate. This is an instrument rod for holding weight, and these are called dumble plate. These are dumble plate. It's a dumble plate. These are all dumble plate. And now I want to show you the weight of each dumble plate. This 1 kilogram each, total 2, 1 kilogram. This dumble plate 15 pound. It's a 15 pound. 2, there are 2, 15 plus 15, 30 pound. 1 kilogram, 3 kilogram each, total unit 4. 3 kilogram, 3 kilogram, 3 kilogram, 3 kilogram, and 5 kilogram each, total 4 plates. 5 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 5 kilogram, and the last 2 are 7.5 kilogram, and the total 7.5 kilogram, 7.5 kilogram, and total weight is 15 kilogram. Now I'm going to show you the total kilogram. 1 kilogram, 15 pound. 2, 3 kgs, 3 kg. There are 4 number of plates. 3 kgs, 3 kgs, 3 kgs, 3 kgs, and this one, the net weight 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. This is 5. This is the size is 5 kilogram, but this one is a bit more size than this one, but the weight is the same. 5 kilogram, 5 kilogram, and the last 2 are 7.5 kgs. This one is a 7.5 kg for, and the total weight 49 kilogram plus 15 30 pound. I have the total net weight is 49 kilogram plus 30 pound. The unit is 15 pound, and this plate is made from cast iron, and this plate made from rubber. Now I have already get it ready to seam. So you should have one spanner, so you can keep this nut tight. So I have one manche hook for practice, more practice for keep my body warm. So how to set this instrument to this handle? So, this is a plastic guard, and another side this have no plastic guard. This plastic guard, without any plastic guard, keep this side in here. This is a guard. This is the spanner. This spanner keep this nut tight. Make sure keep this side. This is a plastic guard side, and this side is not a plastic guard, without plastic guard. So take this one inside this holder, and this is a guard, anti-skid guard. Use this spanner to keep this nut more tight. It is tight. Okay, now this instrument is ready to start seam. Okay.